Found some DNA in Griffin's garage. Okay, I am putting some new fish in the pond for this year. These are Rosie Reds, Minnows, 40 of those. And I got 2 Black Moor Goldfish. So I'll put those in there after they float a while. Alright, let's do a little update. So, I didn't film everything this year, but a couple of things to note is we've got our cherry tomato going. Just planted that. I've got some seedlings here that I did. So I've got gourds, which are the birdhouse gourds like that. Some peppers, green peppers, bell peppers. These are tomatoes, beefsteaks, and these are the leftovers, tomatoes and peppers that I kept. We've got a cage full of tuxedo quail. Just a whole bunch of those. Everybody over here is doing well. Let's talk about these new plants. That's the California elephant ear there. The irises came back. This is one of the only surviving things from the greenhouse. Along with that. That is an elephant. That's the giant elephant ears. Let's see, them came back. These are my new plants here. I got these at my buddy Griffin's house. The people that lived in his house before him back in the early 80s had all kind of tropical plants, just different stuff. So I went over and got a few of the ones that he had plenty of. This is some sort of a Japanese plant that has a yellow flower. There's a picture of the flower on my Instagram, actually. Like a little yellow pom-pom. These are ferns that are native to Alabama. I got some of those from him. And then these, which I'm not sure what these are either, but it was another one from his house. Pond's doing great. All that ivy I planted is finally starting to crawl up. Let's go out here. These come back every year. These are those wildflowers we planted. One of the first years we lived here. New banana plant, since that one last year didn't make it. I got another one, so decided to plant it straight in the ground this time. And I've got my garden ready, but waiting for those seedlings to get bigger. But I've got that all cleared. I just got to add some soil to it, some nutrients. These dill came back on their own. Now, this is from last year's dill seed. Haven't done anything in this bed yet. I'll probably clear that out. And then here's our strawberries. And we've already harvested probably 2 gallons of strawberries off of these. Those all came back on their own. Check out the hollyhock. I mean, it's fixing to bloom. So that takes 2 years to bloom. So this is the second year. You can see some stuff coming out on it. Got blooms all over it, so it should be coming back. I got really big. Here's my empty greenhouse. Got everything out now. What's up, guys? How is everybody? These are the ducks that we got, baby ducks we got to raise. There's one there and one there. Those are white pecans. And then that Swedish in there. There's a video of those guys swimming. And here's those Easter eggers and those Japanese bantams and those black silkies. They're all getting really big. What is it, buddy? Hi, Harry. Hey, buddy. Let's go check on Sally. Hey, Sally. Hey, Sally. You sitting on eggs? Are you sitting on eggs? Sally never been a big fan of the GoPro. And we got this little duck in here sitting on eggs. It's crazy to see this. This is what it looks like back here now that several years after we tore down that chicken coop, that original chicken coop, it's all back to brush and woods now. First swim of 2024. Contacts on for that little swim. Use a mask. Alright, I still got the waterproof case on, but I'm going to see if it'll pick up the audio. But we're going to cook some Conica sausage, which is delicious. Show you how they do this. Oh, look at that. Onions, butter. There's the Conica. Oh yeah, spicy and hot, this one. It's delicious. There it goes. it.